Hello friends, I welcome you on my channel Engineering Mathematics djganit. In this lecture we are going to talk about system of linear equations. So we start with the definition of linear equation. So if we consider equation of the form a1x1 plus a2x2 and so on an xn equal to b, where this a1 a2 up to an and this b on the right hand side are constants. So this type of equation is called linear equation in these n unknowns or variables x1 x2 xn. So you can see there are n variables x1 x2 xn here, and power of each variable is 1. So this type of equation is known as linear equation. You might have seen this type of equations. For example, if I take x plus y plus 2z equal to 3, then this is linear equation in 3 variables x, y and z. We can see it is in this form. Similarly, 3x1 plus 2x2 minus x3 plus x4 equal to 0 is also linear because this equation is in this form. So any equation which can be written in this form is known as linear equation. Suppose I consider x square plus 2y equal to 3, then this is not linear because it is not in this form. Here power of x is not 1. So this equation is known as non-linear equation. So our interest in this topic is on linear equations. So linear equation means any equation which we can write in this form. Then we see what is meaning of solution of linear equation. So solution of linear equation means the values of variables or unknowns in the system which satisfy given equation is called solution of linear equation. The values of unknowns which satisfy given linear equation is called solution of linear equation. If we consider this linear equation x plus y minus z equal to 3, and if we put x equal to 1, y equal to 2 and z equal to 0, we will obtain 3. So these values of x, y, z satisfy this equation. Therefore this x equal to 1, y equal to 2 and z equal to 0 is solution of this linear equation. Now once we are clear about linear equation, we can define system of linear equations. So system of linear equations is nothing but finite set of linear equations in the variables x1, x2, xn is called system of linear equations. For example, here I have written one set of linear equations. There are 3 linear equations and x1, x2, x3, x4 are 4 variables. So this is a finite set of linear equations in 4 variables x1, x2, x3 and x4. So this is example of system of linear equations. So any finite set of linear equations is called system of linear equations. Another name is linear system. Sometimes system of linear equations is known as linear system also. Now comes the definition of solution of system of linear equations. So solution of system of linear equations means we have to find out values of variables which satisfy all the equations in the given system. The values of unknowns or variables in the system which satisfy all the equations of the system is called a solution of the system. Suppose we consider this system. This is system of linear equations in 3 variables. Then if we put x1 equal to 1, x2 equal to 2 and x3 equal to minus 1 in both the equations, then these values of x1, x2, x3 satisfy both equations. So x1 equal to 1, x2 equal to 2 and x3 equal to minus 1 is solution of this system. So solution of system means we have to find out values of all the variables in the system which satisfy each equation of the system. Now how to find out solution of this system, that we are going to discuss in next lecture. Here our purpose is to introduce system of linear equations and its types. Now it is not possible that every system has solution. There are some systems which are having solution and there are some systems which are having no solution. So depending on the types of solutions, there are two types of systems, consistent and inconsistent systems. So consistent system means system having at least one solution, and system which has no solution is known as inconsistent system. So a system of linear equations is called consistent if it has at least one solution, and the system of linear equations is called inconsistent if it has no solution. So depending on the solution, there are two types of systems, consistent system and inconsistent system. Consistent means system has at least one solution and inconsistent means system having no solution. So if we observe this system, this is system of two linear equations in two variables. So x plus y equal to 4 and x plus y equal to 3. So if we compare both the sides, left hand sides are equal, so we obtain 3 equal to 4, which is a contradiction. So therefore this system is inconsistent, it has no solution. Now if system is consistent, then there are only two types of solutions possible. Either system has unique solution or system has infinite number of solutions. So if we consider this system x minus y equal to 1 and x plus y equal to 0, then we can see this system has only one solution. If we add these two equations, y will cancel out and we have 2x equal to 1 plus 0. That means x equal to 1 half. And if we take x equal to 1 half in first equation, we have 1 half minus y equal to 1. That means y equal to 1 half minus 1, which is minus 1 by 2. So x equal to 1 by 2, y equal to minus 1 by 2 is solution of this system, and there is no other solution possible. So this is the unique solution of this system. If we concentrate on this system, we can see second equation is nothing but x plus y equal to 2. If we take 2 common, then it will be x plus y equal to 2. So this system has infinite number of solutions which are given by y equal to 2 minus x. This we can rewrite as y equal to 2 minus x. So for different values of x, we will have different values of y. If I take x equal to 1, y will be 1. If I take x equal to minus 1, y will be 3. If I take x equal to 3, y is minus 1. So in this way, x is free variable here, or we can take any value for x and y will be obtained by y equal to 2 minus x. So now x is any real variable, that means there are infinite number of values possible for x. So therefore there are infinite number of values for y also. So this system has infinite number of solutions. Now this is true in general for every system of linear equations. There are three types of possibility. Either system is inconsistent, that means system has no solution. Either system has unique solution, that means only one solution is possible. And third possibility is system has infinite number of solutions. A system cannot have 10 or 50, that is 50 solutions. Either system has no solution or unique solution or infinite number of solutions. So in the upcoming lectures we will see how to find out solution of system of linear equations, but we will keep in mind that for every system there are only three possibilities. Either system has no solution, that is system is inconsistent. Either system has unique solution, that means exactly one solution, and system has infinite number of solutions. So for any linear system, infinite number of solutions. For any linear system, for solution there are only three possibilities: no solution or unique solution or infinite number of solutions. So in upcoming lecture we are going to discuss different methods of solving system of linear equations. So I hope you like this lecture. Thank you very much.